Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Transfer of title under provisions of other acts. In following circumstances, non-owners can transfer good title to the buyer under the provisions of acts other than Sale of Goods Act. Sale by finder of goods. If any finder cannot trace the true owner, or if the owner refuses to pay the lawful charges of the finder can resell when the found thing is perishable, or when his lawful charges for finding the owner amounts to 2/3 of the value of the goods, and the buyer gets a good title though the finder was not owner of the goods, as provided in Indian Contracts Act. Sale by pawnee. The pawnee can sell the goods pledged to him in certain circumstances after giving reasonable notice of sale to the pawner, as provided in Indian Contracts Act 1872. Sale by official receiver or assignee. In case of insolvency of an individual, the official receiver or assignee can convey better title to the property, as provided in the Code of Criminal Procedure. Transfer of negotiable instruments by holder in due course. A holder in due course of negotiable instruments possesses better title and is in an exception to the rule of nemo dat quo non habet, as per Negotiable Instruments Act. Sale by officer appointed by court. The official receiver, official assignee or liquidator appointed by court may, for realizing the assets and paying off the debts, can transfer a valid title to the buyer even if he is not the true owner of goods. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.